If your videos are looking a little flat, this one setting in Firefly can make them look cinematic instantly. For this, I use the video editor in Firefly, now in beta. In the Firefly Video Editor, select your clip on the timeline, then go to Looks in the left panel. This is where you can apply different color and lighting styles in one click. For this ski clip, I tested a few options, including black and white. There's lots of options, so try them all. You can hover over each look to preview the before and after, and if you want to reset, just hit the reset icon. Cool Fantasy brings out the blues and gives the snow that colder cinematic feel. Perfect for something like this. For this video of a runner, I used the Cool Clean look. Watch how the colors change. It shifts the lighting to a cooler tone, but keeps everything bright and punchy. Then I added a solid color background and used the text tool for a quick title at the end. Super easy and ready for social. For this one, I wanted something more stylized. I split the clip into two parts. First, black and white, and then it turns into color. To make the transition smooth, I cut one frame from the end of the first clip and one from the start of the next. Then slowed those frames down. That way, the change happens on a still frame and you don't get any of the weird motion echoes. This is a great way to use looks to make a reveal. So if your videos feel a little flat, try the Looks panel in Firefly's Video Editor. If you want to know how I got these videos right from Photoshop, watch this next.